know it's vital to set aside emergency supplies so you're 2 weeks ready for a hurricane or other emergency.
That includes 14 gallons of water for each person, food for 2 weeks, a battery-powered radio, flashlight, and other items.
That gets complex for a larger household. Let's look at an ohana with 2 parents, 2 keiki, and 2 pets.
You still need to think about those food and water needs, keeping in mind the age of the children and what they eat.
Whether that's a diet that includes baby food or that one youngster who refuses to eat soup because it's too soupy.
Children may need slightly less food and water, but build your plans around the 2-week guideline. Don't forget any medication the keiki need.
Pets need to eat too. Stockpile the food they usually eat for your emergency kit. Think about how you'll address the hygiene needs with cat litter or other cleanup supplies that you might need.
Depending on the storm damage, a walk outside may not be a great idea just after the storm.
Making a plan to meet your ohana's needs and fine-tuning it as those needs change is crucial to being 2 weeks ready.
Our kupuna may have different types of needs. We'll talk about those in our next episode.